खुरुमजरी ISTV पाउमिंग ताबिरबा सिंगमुतराम नोकचरी होजिमरोय बपाउ नेशनल हेल्थ अवेयरनेस मिशन सही सिलोय जिंगाइदा चनबा हौननाबा थबक पाइखले हाइना हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर के प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी जे सुरेश बाबूना फुंगदोखरे अमदी तौसेम प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर दा अल्ट्रासाउंड मशीन याउना अवादा पासिंग खुसिनदुना हेल्थ सेंटर असी चबजाना मथौ तौबा होनख्रे हौजिबा पुंगे बपाउ सेक्शन बा मसुंग ngन लायeng hobana laina khudingmaktagi ngakthok pangami miyam da laina singdagi ngakthoknabagi paujel piba national health awareness mission saiyasi loidringai da chanaba haunana ba thabak sing paikhale center gi ayaba phangbaga chanaba hauragani haina health and family welfare gi principal secretary J Suresh Babu na phungdokre State Health Society National Health Mission na sinduna JNIMS ki conference hall da pangthokiba cancer awareness numit thoramda principal secretary na wafamasi phungdokhibani thoramasi da family welfare ki director K Rajo JNIMS ki director M Shamo amasung health ki director Dr O Ibomsa su sarugya ke director Dr Okram Ibomsa na cancer ki matang da miyam da leiriba wakhalola si han hongdok pasangi ngasi su leina asi yamna sathi ba layeng bangam da oina loriba asi hongdok pagi matam oire aikoina leina asiga mari leina ba haksang da hong maleirabadi madu matam sana yengthoktuna kanbangami haiki Dr K Razona sayama da India da miyoi million taret ki mathakta cancer ka mari leina ba leina singnari miyoi bagi punsi mahingda honglakpaga loinana jinjakta hongbal lakliba sina maru oiba maram oi haiki Principal Secretary J Suresh Babu na ana layengi thabak tawriba Dr amasung nurse sing loinana asa singi thaudang yamna chawi maru oina khungang gi thakta miyambu khangan ba amasung ngathokna ba pambai sing khangan ba ngamnana ba Bharat Sarkar gi makhada National Health Awareness Mission amasung National School Awareness Program chana hanana ba thabak loire haiki
I think our Rashtrapan also made some statements recently where he has touched on the approach which government has recently. They want to increase the centers where the treatment can be given. They want to improve and support the entire diagnostic machinery that is required and also support the patient care. Now, government of India is going to start one more program with the National Health Awareness Mission, which is going to be launched this year, whereby the ultimate target is that the people, everybody should be able to get free treatment in this country. Everybody should be able to have access to the medical facility. Everybody should be able to be treated equally. Money should not be a matter in terms of getting care.
Tamelong District ki Tamai Kendra gi manung chanba Tausem Primary Health Center da ultrasound machine ambulance amadi hidak langthak sing khusinaduna health center ase chabjana mathau tawba hokre Garang Center asida pangthokiba thoram asida Hills Area Committee ki Vice President Jet ki Khonbau Niumai Health Services ki Deputy Director MD Dr L Shamjai Deputy Director MC Dr TS Surchandra SDO Tausem G Santikumar MDS ki official sing su sarugya ke MLA Z ki Khonbau Niumai na Tausem da khul humputaret tamai da yankai taret punna kul chama kunmari leiriba asigi ana ayek thorpa matamda lambi thong amadi ana layengi khudong sadaba kaya leiriba asi kognana ba government na paikhalakpa thorang amagi makhada ahenba khusu khulai sing hapsin ba ngambani Hauzik Dr Amadi Nursing gi award paleiba asi mentionana ba Dr Amadi Nursing lobagi thabak paikhali Khul singdagi matik saba mi leirabadi khudong saba pina ba hotnagani tamai gi matungda Tausem da ana layengi potlam kaya khusinari ba sina government na lamdam adombu mirai ba leite haibasi mayek sengna takle haiki
So I'm trying to build the infrastructure first yan hanada office sadarga mul lebi yaroi quarter sadarga lebi yaroi ala honorable CM na hairaga inclusive growth hills infrastructure se ekoi subdivision headquarter chama hin lebada hujik khoi the first page the paikhat base only 10 tara the paikhat ni out of 10 tamayama tausemama ase number 1 na yobane
Tungda MLA na luchingduna Tamelong Tausem haplong lambi gi phibam Tausem gi hauzik sagali ba SGO gi office building sing yengsin ke loinena mapru thong gi phibam su yengsin ke MLA na Tamelong Toksem Haplong Lambi asi NEC na semlambani hauzik lambi asi NEC na yengsindabadagi makata na semgutpagi thabak amata paikatre asawa project amana trabadi lambi asi semba ngamloidabagi phibam leire maramaduna project ama saraga semna hotnagani Toksem High School asi higher secondary da ongkhatna honari hauzik oza ki awat palairibasi train tawdriba oza sing training thakibani maduna oza tharakpada apanba oibani training loiraba matung awat pa oza sing tharakna honagani Manipur government na paikhatpa inclusive road hills infrastructure gi makhada subdivision chamagi manungda ahanba phase gi tara khangatpada tamai amadi Toksem asi ahenba miyeng thami haiki
non plan digi lising yang lag yang kai thamlaga asi departmental wena sujaba tongni aduna part myam si ariba myam su leire aduga luisin da bukra su leire asi myam si akuba mutamda wesilaga rizada kituk na basi ikanna mari leina ba department da kana taksin jage
Masagi sahi nipan khakta ngairi bi longjam jinabu tamthina hatok laga huntok lamba thawong Kabui Development Club Yurembam na pen daba phongdorakli asigumba miyoi bana salhai daba lisa chatpa miyoi sarkar na matik saba cherak piduna asigumba tahai ohei daba thodok asi thogandana ba honabiu hairi All Manipur Government Aided School Employee Coordinating Committee na Revision Pay 2010 chanahalu ahangba pham hapchilu pension scheme chanahalu haiba dabida kaisampat lemazam lekai mamang community hall da wakan pham chatakre committee ki coordinator Tuikhang Kameng Koireng na haukiba October 18 da Chief Minister amadi Education Minister da memorandum pisinduna dabi singasi tabak ta onthok pinaba haijakre adubu tabak oina pangthoraktabadagi October 13 da miyamgi oiba khongsat aduna oza singna amuba best tetuna khongjang sangsinduna lakpani adubu ngasi fawba sarkarna miyeng sangbidre makata bo oina kuthang sara henba amadi civil society amasung mahairoi organization sing khusamnaduna akanba khongjang changsilagani haiki Nehru Yuba Kendra Imphal West na sinduna youth leadership amadi community development ki nomagi oiba training program ama takhelambam youth club ki sangnenda pangthokre Thawramasida Family Welfare ki Director Oiramba Dr. L. Surchandra Sub Registrar T. Gunil Maite Club ki President Soram Sanaton Amadi District Youth Coordinator Imphal West Laishram Chitra Susarukya ke Training asida nahani funa sarukya ke District Youth Coordinator Laishram Chitrana tungi yumbi oigadori ba na singbu aphaba mi amamam oinanaba makhoida yaujariba hai singba sing hena mapung phananaba training ase pangthukpani haike Thoksom Somendrobu Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Imphal East District Committee General Secretary oina hapkhre Lakadori ba Christmas mamangda Toksem da BSNL gi service pigani haina official singna thajaba piduna mobile tower gi foundation hauram laga leithokre haina Toksem headquarter student union gi luchingba kidimna phongdukre Toksem da pangthokpa pawgi mifam amada mangna makhatana ing solution ani mapandagi Toksem da BSNL gi mobile tower yungnana ba thabak mari leina ba BSNL gi authority na packet pahauke I pau phongna ba haibasi apaba thabak ni haiduna khulna lampiduna tower yungnana ba thabak packet pahauke adubu pillar haibagi thabak losilamlaga hojik fawba makhatana thabak amata lokhatre mari leina ba BSNL gi official singna thabak lokhatana leiriba si kari maram gino haibadu thidoktuna athuba matamda losin binaba honabiu haike pawgi mifamasida Toksem Village Authority Jalyangrong Youth Front Toksem Zone gi luchingba singsu sarugya ke
Authority Kambuna the assurance public on the PBR chat kibne adu housing phoba chahi loiram dai sida sula laktreba ubdigi koina two within very limited days we asked the concerned authority to complete it this tower by the general public of Toksem subdivision
Hauzi maroi ba pau amu National Health Awareness Mission sahiya siloi dringai da chana ba hauna na ba thabak paikali haina Health and Family Welfare ge Principal Secretary J. Suresh Babu na phongdokre amadi Toksem Primary Health Center da ultrasound machine yauna awara passing khushina duna health center asi chap chana mathau tawba honkre ISTV pauming tabir ba singwam kahna khurumjari